On friends, today we are showing. My name is Hacker Pro. My original name is Devesh, and we are going to restoring a complaint motor. Now we need to take this motor's thing, and we need to cover this thing with copper coil, and we need this thing. These two things are positive and negative side. These two things need to connect with this thing. This like this. And there are magnets too, two magnets. That and these two magnets are used to rotate this thing. And just go have a look. If these two sides, this side need to be cleared. And we are going to play this thing. Uh, be sure that this thing is uncovered. I am sure that you guys did love science and technology. If you like it, please subscribe and share also. And now we are going to do that. Fix it, fix it, fix it. And using this player, we need to be sure that it is sorry, my hand is spilled. We have finished that and we are going to play this thing. And before that we need to take a battery and ensure that it have speed and life. Look, it is working. It has connection problems.